Good morning, dear kids. I'm taking you exercise 2.2, problem number 2. In problem number 1, you have seen, question number 1, you have seen that you founded the zeros of a quadratic polynomial or a quadratic equation. आप zeros find कर रहे थे, मतलब आप x find कर रहे थे. Getting my point? And then we learned about the formula about product of zeros and sum of zeros also. Now, in that question, quadratic polynomial was given to you. But in this question, you have to find the quadratic polynomial if zeros are given to you. In your first, 0 is 1 upon 4 and minus 1. Now, my dear kids, I'll give you the best and the easiest formula, that is x square minus a plus b x plus a into b is equal to 0. Yes, my dear kids? Your a plus b will be your first value of x and your a into b will be your second value of x. x means zeros. जो आपको zeros दिए गए हैं वो सिर्फ आपको पुट अप करने हैं इस फॉर्मूला में. So x square minus 1 upon 4x plus minus 1 is equal to 0. That will be 4x square minus x minus 4, if I take the LCM, is equal to 0. That's your answer. Suppose if I give you one more in this, I'll give you two zeros as root 2 and 1 upon 3. Root 2 and 1 upon 3. And the formula will be same, x square minus a plus b x plus ab. This is sum of zeros, this is product of zeros. Your first value will be put into the sum of zeros and your second value will be put into the product of zeros. And your equation will be take the LCM and that's your answer. Shall we take one more? Okay. Let's take the fifth one, that is minus 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4. Formula is same. You have to put this value here and this value here. Take the LCM and that's your answer. Clear? Isn't it easy? Yes. Let's jump on to our next part. And it is exercise 2.4, problem number 1, which says verify that the numbers given alongside of the cubic polynomials are the zeros and also verify the relationship between 0 and the coefficient in each case. My dear kids, now what I have given you, this is your cubic polynomial, that is 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. And these are the zeros, these are the values, 3 values of your x. Now each value you have to put it into your polynomial x as x. Getting my point? So first it is given 1 upon 2, second is 1 and third is minus 2. Let's start. So this is your polynomial and you have to put half first as the value of x. And once you put this, my dear kids, if your answer is coming 0 after putting half, then you will say that this half is 0 of my given polynomial. Let's see if we are getting 0 or not. 2, 1 upon 8, 1 upon 4, 5 upon 2 plus 2. 2 upon 8, 1 upon 4, 5 upon 2 plus 2. Let's take the LCM. 1 plus 1 minus 10 plus 8. Yes, my dear kids. So that will be minus 8 plus 8. We have here upon 4, that will be 0 upon 4 is 0. So once you get after solving your answer as 0, you will say that half, that is 1 upon 2, is the 0 of this polynomial. Similarly, you have to try with 1. You have to put x value as 1 in the given polynomial, this one. Put x, polynomial x is equal to 2x cube plus x square minus 5x plus 2. In that you have to put 1 as the value of x. So you have to solve like this. And you have to check whether your answer coming is 0 or not. If for this also you are getting 0, you will say that 1 is the 0 of the given polynomial. Got my point clear? Similarly, you have to try for minus 2 also. Yes, next in that we have also verified the relationship between zeros and the coefficient. Now my dear kids, if you remember, we have a standard form of writing equation, that is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. If I compare my given equation with this standard form, I'll get the value of a as 2, b as 1, c as minus 5 and d as 2. Got my point? Now, as you know, in our previous part, in my previous exercise, we have done that the sum of zeros, you can put it the symbol like this, or you can write it, sum of zeros is always equal to coefficient of minus coefficient of x upon coefficient of x square. Similarly, product of zeros is equal to constant term upon coefficient of x square. Yes, so we have done that. Now the difference is that you have 3 zeros here. That means 3 values a, b, c, and this is your constant term. Getting my point clear? So here I'll give you one more thing. Okay, let me explain you on a fresh page. See, if I suppose give symbol alpha to my first 0, beta to my second 0 and gamma to my third 0. So alpha, beta, gamma is equal to minus b upon a. So this is sum of zeros. I have explained you this with 2 zeros also. And then you have alpha, beta, gamma product will be equal to minus constant term upon coefficient of x square. Okay, product of 0. But here I'll give you one more term, that is alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha and gamma. Is equal to minus d upon a, because there are 3 zeros. जो हमने किया था वो क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल था, अब ये क्यूबिक पॉलिनोमियल है. ठीक है, सो यू हैव टू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग्स. Now you have all the values. You have your alpha, beta, gamma as what? Your zeros. So alpha value you have half, beta value जो दिया हुआ है वो zeros, and gamma is minus 2. Getting my point? And from the equation you have checked, you made an equation, standard form of equation, and you got the value of a, b, c, d. Are you getting my point clear? So you have to just verify the relationship, matlab you have to check whether they are equal or not. I said alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b upon a. So let me check if my LHS is equal to RHS. Alpha value is half plus beta is 1 plus gamma is minus 2. So once I will solve this, I'll get minus 1 upon 2. Let me check if my right hand side minus b upon a, b is 1, a is 2. So we have minus 1 upon 2. So both are equal. Hence the relationship is verified. Hence verified. But you have verified just one equation. You have two more. Which two more? One you have product is equal to minus d upon a. And one you have alpha into beta, beta into gamma, and alpha into gamma is equal to c upon a. So once you verify this also, if you're getting left hand side is equal to right hand side, and this also you will write, hence the relationship between zeros and coefficient are satisfied. Got my point clear? So first step number 1, हम लोग ने ज़ीरोस, जो भी ये प्रॉब्लम ऐसा दिया हुआ था, हम लोग ने पहले माइनस 1 अपॉन 2 वैल्यू डाला, देन 1 डाला एंड देन माइनस 2 डाला, और हर एक में मेरा ज़ीरो रिमाइंडर ज़ीरो आया था. एंड दैट्स द रीज़न आई से दैट दीज आर ज़ीरोज़ ऑफ दिस पॉलिनोमियल. Getting my point? And then once you got the zeros, then you have to start with the verification. And how you will verify? I gave you 3 formulas. That is alpha, beta, gamma, that is sum will be equal to minus b upon a. Product, gamma will be equal to minus d upon a. And alpha, beta, beta, gamma, and alpha and gamma is equal to c upon a, where alpha, beta, gamma are your zeros, given zeros, 3 zeros, with जो आपने प्रूव किए हैं कि zeros हैं. And what is D and B and C and A? They are the standard form when you write this equation polynomial. You will get the values of A, B, C, D, because the standard form is ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. So from there you will get this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. Got my point clear? Okay. Next we have find the cubic polynomial with the sum. You have to find the polynomial, and these are the zeros given. That means you have been given the value of alpha 2, beta minus 7, and gamma minus 14. And you know very well so put the values. So you will get minus 7 minus 14, that is minus 21 and plus 2. So that will be minus 19. And नीचे कुछ नहीं मतलब 1. So that is the value of minus b upon a. So b you got 19, a is 1. And from next equation,